Hello, and today I would like to talk a little bit about Golang's math big library and how to successfully implement modular arithmetic in Golang. First, just a little bit about modular arithmetic. Here's a couple facts about it. You can basically check to see if they leave the same remainder by repeating a subtraction by 100 or a multiple of 100. So, for example, we can easily see that by subtracting 100 over and over again from both sides, eventually they'll both leave the same remainder of 24 on each side. Here's the implementation. We're using math big, and we're using big integers. And so basically we set up this temporary a variable and we repeatedly subtract this variable b till we flip to a negative, and then the previous is actually the last remaining r, which is less than m, which is actually b in this program. So here, if we run this code, you can see we get the result 24. So hope you like this code, and happy Golanging.